Big Dog K9 motorcycle for sale. This is one great looking bike, and not only is it great looking, it rides great. It's really low mileage. It only has 6743. Now I could put a couple more on it before it sells, but it's definitely well under 7,000 miles on this beauty. Then naturally the K9 was the top of the line bike for big dogs, and most people consider it a very classic chopper. There's upgraded Vance Hines exhaust pipes. Also, it's set up, it has the holes and the mounting brackets and the fender braces or a sissy bar if you wanted to install one. It also has a newer battery, and it has it's set up for a trickle charger. This is one great bike. If you're interested, read the description below for further information. Thanks.
A like, a tweet, and a subscription to our channel would be much appreciated. Thanks. If you enjoy custom motorcycles and classic choppers, be sure to get a subscription to our site, SanDiegoCustomMotorcycles.info.